Hello, everyone. I'm thrilled you're here for Our Health, Our Future. This is a vital talk on your sexual health, part of the Chairman's Initiative, a peer led program from the University of Ghana's HSMA 308 course. We're addressing a serious issue. The Ghana Health Service reports 25% of new HIV cases are among youth aged 15 to 24, often due to low condom use and misinformation. My goal is to empower you with honest information to make smart choices for your well being. Smart choices, birth control, and digital safety prints. Building on safe practices and respectful interactions, let's tackle some common myths about birth control and then discuss digital safety. First, birth control. One myth I hear often is that condoms reduce pleasure. This is simply false. The truth is, the peace of mind you gain from preventing STIs and unplanned pregnancy actually enhances enjoyment, not diminishes it. Another common misconception is that birth control pills make you unable to have babies later. Again, this is not true. Birth control pills are safe and reversible, and they do not cause infertility. And here's one that often surprises people: the idea that you can't get pregnant if you have sex during your period. This is a big myth. You absolutely can get pregnant during your period because a woman's body can be unpredictable and sperm can live inside for several days. So, never rely on that for pregnancy prevention. For accurate information on options like pills, injections, or implants, talk to a healthcare provider at a local clinic. Finally, let's talk about digital safety, especially concerning sexting. The biggest risk here is losing control once something is sent. It can be saved, shared without your permission, which is illegal, used to blackmail you, or significantly harm your future, even years down the line, affecting job or university applications. For young people, sending or receiving such content can even be a crime. My advice is simple: always think before you send. Ask yourself, would I be okay if my parents, my future employer, or the whole world saw this? If the answer is no, then absolutely do not send it. Also, make sure you use strong passwords and regularly check your privacy settings on all your apps to protect your online space. Staying safe, HIV, STIs, and prevention. Let's get straight to HIV and STIs. Many of these infections show no visible signs, so you can't tell just by looking. That's why regular testing is absolutely essential. To truly protect yourself and others, here are the most effective ways. Abstinence, not having sex, is 100% effective. Another safe path is mutual faithfulness with a tested partner. If you're having sex, always use a condom correctly, every time. Condoms are vital barriers against germs and prevent unplanned pregnancies. They work. Finally, get tested regularly and seek treatment promptly if needed. Sometimes someone might resist using a condom. Your health comes first. Politely insist on using one or suggest getting tested together. Your safety matters. Respecting others, consent, and healthy relationships. Moving to emotional and physical safety, let's talk about consent. This is fundamental. Consent means a clear, enthusiastic yes. It's never silence, pressure, or when someone is impaired. Crucially, consent can be withdrawn at any time. Any sexual act without that clear yes is sexual assault, a serious crime. This principle of consent extends to all relationships. Healthy connections are built on mutual respect, trust, and open communication. Watch for signs of control or disrespect. You have the right to speak up or step away from anything that makes you feel unsafe. Your peace of mind is vital. Understanding these dynamics helps us make smarter choices. Furthermore, let's talk about two crucial topics with a lot of cultural weight here in Ghana: virginity and menstruation. First, virginity. It's vital to understand it's more of a social idea than a medical fact. Many mistakenly think it's defined by the hymen, but the hymen can break for many reasons unrelated to sex. Your worth or purity is never determined by your sexual history. What truly matters are your informed, consensual choices about your body on your own timeline. You might feel a lot of pressure, but remember, your body, your choice. Next, menstruation or periods. This is a perfectly natural and healthy biological process for about half the world, yet it's often whispered about or surrounded by harmful myths. Common ones like periods being unclean or restricting women from cooking are not true. Menstruation is simply a sign of a healthy body. We desperately need to normalize talking about it openly. For girls, understanding your cycle, proper hygiene, and correct disposal of sanitary products are vital. Please, always wrap used pads or tampons and put them in a rubbish bin. Never flush them. They block pipes. Let's be supportive and understanding. A little empathy goes a long way. This is a shared human experience that needs no shame. That brings us to the end of this educative talk. If you have more questions or need support, reach out to trusted healthcare providers like Planned Parenthood Association of Ghana, PPAG, or your local health center. Their services are confidential. Remember, knowledge is power, and your health is truly your future. Thank you for joining.